Hi everybody, it's Rob. I have just been tidying up and finishing all of the setups for my social media stuff, right? So this is effectively still part of the IFTTT and social media course setup. Now, the whole point of me doing this is I wanted to have this ready, so that when I start to share, I can share the shared shares. This is for my other course that I'm busy. The other course is how to set up a page properly, case study. Okay, so because I was doing that, I had to do this. I haven't done this properly for the fibromyalgia range of products that I have. So I set up an Instagram. I went and changed one of my old ones to now to read Fibromyalgia Income Club. I've changed the hyperlink and the thing so that even though there's followings and followers, sadly these people are going to be shocked to find out that I'm now fibromyalgia and not things to make and sell. So I was naughty there, but it's fine. So now I've got a new URL for Fibromyalgia Club. My YouTube channel is correctly done anyway. And if you go into your YouTube channel and you go to your About section, right, you can add 5. Really, where's my edit button? I might have to log in again. I must come back and fiddle with this. But you can add 5 URLs, and I've got this one. Oh, hang on a sec. Anyway, I must go into here. But to do this properly, you need to have the words everywhere. You need to have, it's a new profile image I made the other day. So that's what I look like right now. In fact, I'm probably with about a week more of my unshaven state. As you can see, it's still very new, my whole channel here. It's fine. Let it be found and be done properly and it'll work. Right, so I went to Blogger and I set up Fibromyalgia Stress Less Blogspot. I'll put that same picture in here. And it's a welcome to. Oh, cool, I can tweet that. By the way, this is what it's all about. So I tweet it, and it tweets to my fibromyalgia Twitter, and it gets what you needed done. Which means I must go back here and look. Give me a second. No, I've got enough Blogger. Okay, so, and then Pinterest, I made a few fibromyalgia stress related goodies, boards too. And then I went into IFTTT. So now this is what this is all about, okay? So you go to IFTTT and you find something. So what have I got here? Pinterest, Blogger, YouTube. I've done all of them. What else am I connected with? Twitter, I am already. I've done that. Have I done Twitter properly? Let me show you. I'll go to Twitter here. Right, so you search for Twitter, and it comes up. This is in IFTT, right? Which means if this, then that. And I connect things that I want connected. So I can connect all of these. They're all things you can do. Check it out. So I can, every time I do a WordPress post, this is the free WordPress, not the self-hosted website, it can tweet to Twitter. I've got Blogger to Twitter already. Blogger to Twitter I've done. So in fact, if I click here, let's have a look. It should say connected. No, really connect. I'm pretty certain I'm connected. So when you do all of these things, they then become part of your system. I have no, by the way, I don't have any urge to, let's try home, to go and see my own, manage your services. There we go. So, wow, these are all the things I've kind of connected to or not connected to that I've got in my system. To cheat it, I'm just going to show you how I've saved it. So I'm about to, this is actually now going to become video 11 because I'm busy with 10 to you right now, or this is my 10 summary. Maybe that's a better way and leave it at that. Okay, so basically I wanted all my if this then that, which is the IFTTT website, to be connected to my social media so that when I do stuff it gets done properly. Well, on auto. You can watch all the other videos and see. So I've got my Facebook set up and I've saved it. I've got my Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, the Google About Me, my Blogger, and Pinterest. They're all done in here. And these are what I've connected to. So I've done a YouTube to Twitter, a YouTube to Blogger. So each time I post a video, when I do a video, it's going to go to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things. Now here's the cool thing. When I send a YouTube to Twitter, it'll go from Twitter to Digo and Flickr too. My Facebook goes to Twitter, my Tumblr goes to Twitter. I've done a lot to Twitter because it's a cool indexing tool. But then I've sent them things to Blogger to Twitter, and then other things I'll do goes to Blogger. So YouTube goes to Blogger, and from Blogger it'll go to Twitter, to Pocket, to Flickr, to Reddit, and to Digo. My Pinterest will go to Blogger and it'll go back out again to all of these as well. So I'm presuming that it's safe enough. I've to be honest, I haven't, like this one, I have no clue what it's going to do. Pinterest to Pinterest, it pins new pins for me, like really? So I'm going to just keep an eye on it by waiting to see what happens when I pin and do other things. So it's pretty cool, it's pretty complex, and it's also very straightforward. It's kind of all in the same note. So I could come back in here at any time and can create, for example, I haven't done a Wix or a Weebly. Let's have a look what happens if I go here. Let's do Wix. Interesting, huh? Maybe Weebly. Yeah, so Weebly, I can share from my Tumblr to my Weebly and my Blogger to my Weebly and RSS to Weebly. Can you see? Twitter to Weebly. I haven't set up a Weebly yet. I know I said I would, my bad, in the other videos. So I can keep expanding this outwards. And all of this on this IFTTT account. I could even create a second wheel. These are kind of like a link wheel, and let's say run it all just from YouTube. So I still log in with the same YouTube account, but then I send it to a different Weebly. I log out of all of the others, log into new ones. I send to a new Twitter, new, you know. So you can do that kind of thing too. Anyway, that's basically it. I think. Let me just look at the list. I'm on my other screen here that I've done. Basically, it was what is social media, why you need to do it, and all of that's pretty much done in here. Linking the links that I'm gaining out of this, I repeat that I did teach you. I get two things out of it. I do get a soft backlink to my page from the YouTube sites that do add up, and Google does give you credit for that. More importantly, it gives Google the opportunity to keep finding my pages repeatedly, and I'm definitely going to be indexed and indexed and indexed. I want Google to keep seeing my links to my page, to my website via Twitter, Blogger, Weebly, everything over and over again. I want it to happen. Right, so just before I run away, I'm kind of done, but before I run away, I did all of this and it's now set up. So I can now close pretty much all of these and go back to the doing a page properly thing. Right, and that started with this, where I'm busy building this page, what causes fibromyalgia flare-ups, and I've got to where I now need to share this. So I'm going to go, I've already published the video, by the way, here it is. So this video is not gone into my IFTTT machine system, but it's fine. I'm going to take this image and publish it on Pinterest, I'm going to maybe do another video that says, go and look at this video. That kind of thing. Because essentially, and that video will be part of this on YouTube. It'll be part of the playlist. So all in all, it's kind of now for this single page, I'm really shaking up the trees, and that's all I wanted to do. You'll see in the other course, I'll then take it one step further. When it's all been shared, I'll go to each one of these places. I don't know if I'm going to go to them all, but I'll go to YouTube and Twitter, the bigger ones. I'm not going to go sailing into Digo to try and find my link, although it might not hurt. I'm going to find all of those links wherever I can and then ping them. But that's part of the other course, the How to Do a Page Properly course. Okay, I'm out of here. I hope you've got enough done on the social media that you're happy. And I will publish that so that you can find it. And you would have found it if you're watching my video. So I appreciate that. Thanks. Take care. Cheers.